Today we're taking our crispy chicken burger game to the next level with a recipe that's spicy, tangy and totally mouth-watering. We're starting with a delicious southern fried crispy coating on that chicken burger, and then we're going to smother it in a spicy buffalo sauce. I can't wait for this one. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen where we show you how to make delicious family-friendly recipes. Today we've got tender, juicy, crispy chicken with that signature buffalo kick, topped with creamy ranch and tucked up nicely in a toasted brioche bun. This one's sure to be an absolute winner with the family. I know it's a winner with mine. So let's get cooking. So I've got two large chicken breasts here, about 200 grams or 7 ounces each. And we're going to slice each of the chicken breasts in half horizontally, so you've got 4 thin chicken breast steaks. Place the chicken in a bowl, and then we're going to top that with 240 ml or 1 cup of buttermilk, half a teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon each of white pepper and garlic salt. Mix it all together so the buttermilk completely coats the chicken. So you want to cover that chicken, and then we're going to marinate it in the fridge for an hour or up to overnight. Once that chicken is finished marinating, we're going to heat the oven to a low heat to keep the cooked chicken warm. Now we're going to mix all the crispy coating ingredients together in a bowl. We've got 180 grams or 1½ cups of plain all-purpose flour, a teaspoon each of salt and black pepper, half a teaspoon each of garlic salt and celery salt, and a teaspoon each of dried thyme, paprika, baking powder and chilli flakes. Give that a good mix together so it's thoroughly combined. Lift a piece of chicken from the buttermilk and allow the excess to drip off, and then we're going to dredge the chicken in the crispy coating mixture, ensuring it's fully covered. Make sure you really push that coating into the chicken so we've got plenty of it stuck on. Then we're going to place that on a tray and repeat until all of the chicken is coated. Fill a heavy based pan half full with oil, and then we want to heat that over a medium to high heat. Once the oil is hot enough, we want to carefully lower in 2 of the coated chicken pieces. So we're going to cook those for about 5 to 6 minutes until they're lovely golden and crispy on the outside and no longer pink in the middle, so they're cooked completely throughout. I'm working in 2 batches here. So we're going to place the first batch on a tray in a low oven whilst we cook the second batch. Remove the cooked chicken from the oil with a slotted spoon. And we're going to place that on a wire rack on top of a tray, and this helps to keep the chicken crispy. Place it in the oven whilst we cook the remaining chicken. While that second batch of chicken is cooking, we're going to make that spicy buffalo sauce. To a small saucepan, add 120 ml or half a cup of hot pepper sauce, 80 grams or 1/3 cup of unsalted butter, half a tablespoon each of cider vinegar and Worcestershire sauce, a tablespoon of honey, half a teaspoon of garlic powder and a pinch of salt. We're going to heat that over a medium heat, stirring a few times until the butter's melted and the sauce has combined. turn off the heat and put to one side. So now it's time to assemble the chicken burgers. I've got some bases of toasted burger buns here with some lettuce on top, and now we're going to smother this crispy chicken in that spicy buffalo sauce. Now we're going to add that crispy, saucy buffalo chicken to the burger, and we're going to drizzle over some homemade ranch. If you want a video for the homemade ranch, just let me know in the comments below. We're also going to top with some pickled gherkin slices and a tablespoon of crumbly cheese. And that's my delicious buffalo chicken burger. Crispy, tangy and spicy, and smothered in that creamy ranch dressing. Really hope you enjoy it. I know I will. See you next time.